Wadonyo weche mag tuke ni kocha mar Harambee Stars Benie MCcarthy wacho ni ong'eyo ni Angola en tim matek mokalo konyiso jo Kenya ni osetimo monyalo mar manyo loch e kind Kenya gi Angola kiny. Kenya kiny gocho gi Angola Kasarani chakre saa 1 otieno ka Kenya sani ni thuolo mar 2 e grup mar A. MCcarthy onyiso jo Kenya ni omiye mana thuolo mondo ta Harambee Stars kako dwaro, kowacho ni dwaro mare en ni mondo Kenya okaw okombe.
The 2-0 loss to Morocco for Angola is not a true reflection of a team that they are, but Morocco took their chances and they secured the victory. So for us, we analyze that and we see where Angola is good and what they do well as a team, in position and out of position. So I think, yeah, we'll set up so that we can counter their strengths. We know that Angola is a team, they control and they manage, they look after the ball pretty well. So yeah, we're in for a long night tomorrow. If people want the old Kenya, they can keep on dreaming, because as long as I'm here, they'll play the way I want them to play. And the way I want them to play is to be hard to beat and to win matches.